am Subramaniam, Department of Social Science, Economics, Unit 2, Lesson Employment in India and Tamil Nadu. Already we learnt about introduction, employees, employer, labor force of economy, employment structure in India, three sectors of economy, the structure of employment and types of employment, organized sector and unorganized sector, public sector and private sector, difference between the public sector and private sector, employment pattern, employment trend in Tamil Nadu. Now, today we discuss about question and answer. Okay students, take your book, page number 296. Okay, choose the correct answer. Question number 1. We take age group dash years for computation of the workforce. Answer B. Option B is correct. 15 to 60. 15 to 60. Question number 2. Which is the correct sequence of various sectors in GDP of India in the descending order? Option A. Primary sector, secondary sector, tertiary sector. Question number 3. Which one of the following sector is the largest employer in Tamil Nadu? Primary sector. Option A. Primary sector. Question number 4. Which one of the following is not in primary sector? Answer option B. Manufacturing. Question number 5. Which one of the following is not in the secondary sector? Answer option D. Forestry. Question number 6. Tertiary sector includes option D. All of these. Question number 7. Which sector is not included in the occupational pattern? Answer option C. Tertiary sector. Question number 8. Match the list 1 with list 2 using the code given below. Answer agricultural, forestry, fishery and mining, primary sector. The manufacturing, electricity, gas and water supply, secondary sector. Third, transport and communication, service sector. And unincorporated enterprises and household industries, unorganized sector. Okay, question number 8. Answer B. Answer B. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, question number 9. Which Delhi Sultan of medieval India formed employment bureau to solve the employment problem? Answer C. Option C. Firoz Tughlaq. Question number 10. Dash sector is registered and follow the government rules? Answer B. Organized. Question number 11. Sector dash sector provides job security and higher wages? Answer B. Organized sector. Question number 12. Find the odd one. Answer D. Small scale industry. Question number 13. The sectors are classified into public and private sector on the basis. Answer C. Ownership of enterprises. Question number 14. Assertion A. The unorganized sector of the economy characterized by the household, manufacturing activity and small scale industries. Reason: job here are low paid and often not regular. Okay, answer option A. Both A and R are true and R explains A. Question number 15. People who employ workers and pay reward for their work is termed as employer. Option B. Employer. Question number 16. Dash continues to be the largest employer in Tamil Nadu? Answer option A. Agriculture. Next, second row letter, fill in the blanks. In dash sector, The employment terms are not fixed and regular. Answer. Unorganized sector. Question number second. Economic activities are classified into dash and dash sectors. Public sector and private sectors. Question number third. Dash has always featured as an important element of development policy in India. Answer. Employment. Question number 4. Employment pattern changes due to dash lifestyle of the people. Question number 4. Answer. Lifestyle of the people. Question number 5. The nature of the employment in India is. Answer. Multi-dimensional. Answer. Multi-dimensional. Question number 6. Dash of the economy is the number of people in the country who work and also capable of working. Labor force. Answer. Labor force. Question number 7. Public sector means government undertaking. Public sector means dash. Answer. Government undertaking. Next one, third Roman letter, match the following. Question number 1. Public sector. Service sector. Service motive. Question number 2. Private sector. Profit motive. Question number 3. Primary sector. Poultry. Question number 4. Tertiary sector. Banking. Question number Roman letter 4. Give short answers. What is labor force of the economy? Page number 293. Page number 293. Second para, page number 293, left side, second para, first line, labor force of the economy. 2, third line, capable of working, close your bracket. Question number 2. Why are children and old age are not considered for the competition of workforce? Page number 293. Left side, second para, fifth line, persons who are less than 15 years are considered as children, and persons who have crossed 60 years of age and excluded as they are not physically fit to undertake productive occupation. That's all. Answer. Question number 3. What are the 3 sectors of an economy? Page number 293. Right side, second para, fully. Second para, fully. Right side, second para, fully. First line, the economy is classified. Last line, the service sector. Okay, question number 4. Agriculture, despite a sharp decline in gross domestic product, continues to be the largest employment in Tamil Nadu. Give reason. Page number 295. Left side, page number 295, left side, last para, third line. This is because to last line, the informal sectors. Last line, the informal sectors. Okay. Next, Roman letter 5th, answer in detail. Explain primary sector, secondary sector, and tertiary sector. Add the answer paper in the mobile. Okay, question number 2. Explain the employment structure of the India. Page number 293 to 294. Right side, page number 293, right side, heading employment structure in India. First line, the nature of the employment in India. 2. Next page, page number 294. Second para, last line, in the 4 decades since 1972 to 1973. That's all. Close your bracket. Next question answer. Third one. Compare the employment conditions prevailing in the organized and unorganized sector. Third one, compare the employment conditions prevailing in the organized, unorganized and unorganized sector. Page number 294. Page number 294. Organized heading, organized sector heading. First line, the organized sector is one of that. 2. Right side, unorganized sector, second para. Fully, second para. Right side, second para fully. Page number 294. Organized sector 2. Organized sector 2 para and unorganized sector 2 para. Okay, close the bracket. Next one, question number 4th. Distinguish between the public sector and the private sector. Page number 295. Left side. First para fully. Okay, 3 points. Okay. For example, public sector in 3 points and private sector for 3 points. Okay. And also examples. For example, public sector NLC, SAIL and BSNL, and private sector TVS Motor and Ashok Leyland and Tata Steel. Okay, close your bracket. Okay students, thank you for watching.